Hello, my name is Amber and I'm with Classic Ford of Columbia. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of the 2017 Ford Edge SEL. Okay, so let's take a look inside. We have our dune leather trim seats. You have your push to start available to you, navigation, as well as your Bluetooth. Very spacious car. You have a lot of storage, cup holders. Now taking a look in the back seat, you have a well amount of space for children, family, very comfortable for road trips. Now on your key, you have the option to double tap and
battery died on that.
Okay, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the vehicle. It's the blue jeans metallic. Again, my name is Amber and I'm with Classic Ford of Columbia. This was the 2017 Ford Edge SEL EcoBoost engine. My number is 803-779-3673, extension 149. Please give me a call to set up an appointment.